Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best products on the market. Today, we're diving into the best Newhouse lighting outdoor string lights, an incredible lighting solution for your outdoor spaces. Whether you're hosting a gathering, decorating for the holidays, or simply enhancing your patio, this lighting set has everything you need to create the perfect ambiance. The Newhouse Lighting S14LED30P bulbs come in a 30-pack, designed specifically for outdoor use. Each LED bulb is shatter-resistant, making it perfect for areas where accidents may happen. These bulbs have a standard E26 base, meaning they can easily replace traditional incandescent bulbs in your existing outdoor string lights. With each bulb using just 1 watt, they provide energy-efficient lighting while giving off a warm white glow at 2700 K, which is ideal for creating a cozy, inviting atmosphere. One of the standout features of these bulbs is their durability. The Newhouse Lighting outdoor string lights are weatherproof and rated to last over 10,000 hours. That's right, no more frequent bulb replacements. With their robust design, these bulbs can withstand rain, wind, and other weather conditions, so you can leave them outside year-round without worrying about their performance. What's even better is their energy efficiency. These LED bulbs are built to last 5 times longer than traditional incandescent bulbs and consume up to 75% less energy. This makes them a great choice for anyone looking to save on energy costs while still enjoying bright and beautiful outdoor lighting. Versatility is another strength of these bulbs. Their vintage-style design pairs perfectly with various outdoor settings. From backyard patios to gazebos, porches, and even bars or restaurants, these lights will elevate any environment. They're also ideal for enhancing a variety of interior styles like farmhouse or mid-century modern, thanks to their antique replica look. Installing the Newhouse Lighting S14LED30P bulbs is simple. They fit easily into standard E26 sockets, meaning you don't need any special tools or adapters. Just screw them in and let the warm white glow set the tone for your next outdoor event or cozy evening. If you're looking for a way to light up your outdoor space without breaking the bank or compromising on quality, the Newhouse Lighting S14LED30P is the way to go. Durable, energy-efficient, and versatile, these bulbs offer a stylish yet functional lighting solution for any setting. That's all for today's review. Make sure to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more product critiques. Thanks for watching.